Imagine rewriting reality just by typing a few words. In this video, I dive into Tensorart Kontext, where I tried some mind-blowing creative use cases of text-based image editing. From subtle tweaks to surreal transformations, you'll see how powerful words alone can reshape visuals like never before. Tensorart Kontext just launched in the workspace on the night of June 6th. And here's the exciting part. Each use only costs 10 credits. That's extremely affordable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Kontext on Tensorart. First, open Tensorart and head over to the workspace. You'll see a separate option for Kontext. Just click it to open the dedicated editing interface. Now, upload the image you want to modify. Type your prompt into the box, like turn hairs into red, and within seconds, you'll get a beautifully edited version of your image. It looks really superb. Here's a quick tip. Turning on prompt upsampling will give you even more accurate results. You can also apply context to any of your previously generated images with just one click from your history. Type your prompt into the box, like turn clothes color into red and hair color into blue. It looks really amazing. So now that you've seen how easy and powerful this tool is, let's talk about the real game changer, how to write effective prompts for the best results. When writing prompts for Kontext, be as detailed as possible, especially when describing what you want to change. For example, if you're replacing text in an image, make sure to mention both the original text and the new text you want to appear. This helps the model understand exactly what you're aiming for. If you want to generate stylized text that matches the original art style of the image, try something like change the text. Ganja climber in the picture to text Tensorart and the others remain unchanged. With that level of clarity, you're far more likely to get results that match your vision. But here's the fun part. You can be as creative as you like, and Kontext will follow along. Let's say I type, add a small horse in the red box and remove the dog from the red box. And just like that, the dog is replaced with a horse. It's super intuitive. You simply write what's in your mind, and the model brings it to life. Next, I tried something even simpler. Add a white-colored large mouse in the red box. The result? A cute, sweet white mouse sitting in front of the other animals. The red circle also gone. It looks great. Then I wanted to test stylized text, so I wrote, use the artistic style of this picture to generate the artistic word Learnify AI. And the result was amazing. The new text matched the look and feel of the original image perfectly. Finally, I uploaded a simple cartoon image and wrote, dress like a samurai warrior while preserving facial features, eye color, and expression. And it worked flawlessly. The cartoon character was fully suited up like a samurai, but its identity remained intact. The more detailed your prompt is, the more detailed and accurate the generated image will be. Clear instructions help the model understand exactly what you want, whether it's about style, colors, composition, or specific elements. Kontext gives you the power to bring your imagination to life, all through simple, clear text instructions. As you've seen, Tensorart Kontext makes text-based image editing incredibly easy, powerful, and fun. With just a few words, you can replace objects, add artistic text, or completely transform your images, all while keeping the original style and detail intact. So go ahead, experiment, get creative, and let your imagination guide the image. Kontext is an impressive tool that turns simple text into visual magic. You'll find the link to Tensorart Kontext in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with a friend who might enjoy exploring this powerful tool too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support really helps me keep creating and sharing useful content like this. If you want to watch how I made a Hollywood-style movie with dialogue using VO3, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to watch Create Stunning AI Images for free with Defocus Unlimited and Uncensored, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI goodbye.